What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B coming back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Here I'm doing a styled top with a bald fade. Here I'm cutting my cousin's hair. This is one of my guinea pigs that I cut when I first started cutting hair. Practice on him. Of course for free. It's for you young barbers out there that are cutting your family's hair and getting used to it. That's a really good thing, and you guys gotta appreciate these people because they're the ones who are gonna have the rough haircuts starting off. You guys know what I mean. These guys are taking the risk every time, but you have to learn from every haircut how to get better, what mistakes you've made. But yeah, this is my cousin right here. He cuts his hair twice a month. He's in the military. He used to get number 2 guard on top and a bald fade because he was in the military, or he still is in the military, but he's always been getting a bald fade, and I know growing up he's never liked short hair. So I told him, you know what, let's grow out the top and let's do something where it's darker at the top rather than just a regular guard and blend it down to skin. And we've been doing this haircut for years now. He likes that it's at this length. As you can see from the top, I just cut it every 2 weeks. Like I cut off 2 weeks worth off. And back to the fade, I'm blending downwards as usual. Same thing with my guards. I'm going one open, then one closed, half guard closed to half guard open, no clip, open, then close out the bottom line. I'll get to it, but back to the story. But you guys have to appreciate these guys because, like I said, even though it's free haircuts in the beginning when you first start out, their heads are gonna be the ones you learn and the most from, because it's by repetition, you know. So you can see that I cut this dude's hair fast because, like I said, he's my cousin. He sits in the chair. He doesn't even have to tell me what he wants. I already know. It's easy. And these are the best kind of clients too, because you know damn well they ain't going nowhere. But like I said, I'm doing half of the head, sectioning it out, showing you my steps in all angles. And if you guys haven't checked out my last post, I did it with I did like a textured top with a beard, blended beard. And right now, as I'm making this video, my birthday was yesterday, and my goal was to hit 500 subscribers, and I didn't hit it. I missed it by like 2 or 3 subs. Kind of disappointed, but so if you guys aren't subscribed yet and you guys are watching this, please make sure to subscribe because I really want to keep growing. I know it's a slow process, but the pace is picking up, and to hit 500 is already a big thing to me. Because like I said, I started like, you know what I mean, from 0. And let me know if you guys still want to see the vlogs. I've been slowing down on vlogs because they haven't been getting viewed as much. So I'm gonna kind of like slow down with those. But if you guys do like it, then let me know in the comments. Let me know that you want me to keep it on, because I will. Or what else kind of content do you guys want to see me do? I got you guys. I've been getting a lot more tattoos lately, and like I don't mind vlogging about that. So like again, let me know, and follow my Instagram. It's on the top. So on the other side, I'm doing the same exact steps. And I know you guys like watching these videos because you guys just like to watch people cut hair in general, and this is why I do it. My next haircut tutorial is actually gonna be my boy, and he kind of looks like Captain America with his beard grown out. I mean, like a Walmart version. So we'll see. I'll edit that tonight and hopefully upload it maybe tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the music, the beat, and I'll catch you guys next time. John B out.